Money. The number one reason why people start making YouTube videos. Well, hopefully not. During the past couple of years, more and more YouTubers have become multimillionaires, buying houses worth of millions, chasing their Lamborghinis every week, and most importantly, telling everyone how much money they make so they can make even more money.
We are talking about money once again. Now, I've been pretty open about how much money this YouTube channel and my business overall makes because I'm a fan of transparency.
Oh yeah, sure. Anyways, in today's video, we're going to dive into small YouTube channels and how much money do they make. I personally have two YouTube channels, this Finnish Finance with a little over 2,000 subscribers and my other YouTube channel with almost 2,000 subscribers, where I used to make mainly gaming videos in Finnish until I realized that it is complete waste of time and that I would rather jump out of the window. There are a couple of different things that affect how much revenue you are making from YouTube, and I think that these two channels show those perfectly. Let's start with the basics about how you can make money on YouTube, or if you don't really care about that at all, then you can skip to the last chapter of the video to find out the exact number of how much money I made with my channels. There will also be some tips that you can use to boost your YouTube revenue in 2022. There are a couple of different ways you can make money with YouTube. To start earning money, you have to join the YouTube Partner Program. The minimum requirements for that are to have at least 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you have to have over 1,000 subscribers, own an AdSense account, and smash the like button in this video. Yeah, trust me, they will definitely check that you have done it. You can see whether or not you are eligible to monetize your channel by going to the YouTube Studio and clicking the monetization button. After you meet all the requirements, you can apply to become a YouTube partner, and in a couple of days you are able to monetize your videos. Let's take a look at different ways you can monetize your videos. YouTube Premium is a monthly subscription that makes it available for you to watch YouTube without ads. Because of this, the revenue from YouTube Premium is distributed to creators based on how much of the creator's content the YouTube Premium member watches. So for example, if you only watch this channel, I get more money than if you watch 20 different channels. Super Chats and Super Stickers are donations that viewers can buy during live streams. YouTube keeps about 30% of the money earned from these, so if someone donates you $10, you will receive around $7 minus the taxes. Channel memberships are monthly recurring payments that can give different benefits. Usually, these benefits are something like badges, emojis, or exclusive content. The creators can decide how much money they want these memberships to cost, from $1 to $100 per month, and different tiers can include different perks. Again, YouTube keeps about 30% of the money, so for every $1, the creator keeps around 70 cents minus the taxes. In my opinion, this is a great way to support your favorite YouTuber. Another great way to support your favorite YouTuber is the quite newly implemented thanks button, these days called the Super Thanks. It is a way to directly thank the creator for their video with a limit of $500 a day. Again, YouTube keeps around 30% of this. Because it is still quite new thing, it isn't available for all the creators, even if you are partnered with YouTube. The main source of revenue from YouTube for most YouTubers will be the ad revenue. The way it works is that companies pay Google to advertise on YouTube, and then Google displays those ads on different creators' videos. From this, YouTube keeps 45% of the money and the creator is left with 55%. The amount of money you receive depends on multiple different factors. To name a few, if your video is over 8 minutes long, you can put more ads in it, advertisers in different niches pay differently, the place of residence of your audience, and so on. To demonstrate this quickly, let me show you both of my channels' CPM, which means how much advertisers paid per 1,000 monetized playbacks. For the Finnish channel, the CPM is $4.86, and for this channel it is $37.5. So as you can see, with a different audience and a different niche, I am getting paid almost 10 times more. But before we dive deeper into the reasons behind that, let's answer the main question. How much do small YouTubers earn? If we take a look at Social Blade, my Finnish channel should make around 0.66 to 11 euros, which is around 0.75 to $12.47. This one is actually quite accurate. If we take a look at this channel, Finnish Finance, it says that I make around 1 to 18 euros a month, meaning $1.13 to $20.41 a month. Now this is very wrong, and because of this I wanted to show you both of my channels. Let's take a look at my Finnish Gaming channel first. The channel has 1,947 subscribers, and in 2021 I almost became a millionaire and made $132.98. This was with 84,000 views and 6,000 hours of watch time. With Finnish Finance, I made $849.46 with fewer views and less watch time. The fun fact here is that this channel had less than 1000 subscribers before the end of April, so I didn't make any money at all for the first 4 months. Another fun fact is that with my Finnish channel, I was making 5 to 7 videos a week, and with this channel, I didn't make any videos from January to September. The main point I want to get across with this video is the fact that it doesn't matter how many subscribers you have, and it doesn't really even matter how many views you get. Of course, more views mean more money, but if I make a video where I play Angry Birds with a Finnish commentary, with 100,000 views, I would make around $135, because the RPM of the channel is $1.35. The RPM is the amount paid for 1000 views. The reason it differs from CPM is that CPM is only for the views that show ads, whereas RPM also counts the views that don't play any ads. This channel's RPM is $22.23, so if I made a crypto video with little over 6,000 views, it should make more money than the Finnish Angry Birds video with 100,000 views. Of course, the crypto video would make even more money if 100,000 people watched it. But overall, more views don't equal more money, more views in the right niche equal more money. The most important things are what is your audience, what is your niche, and what is currently trending. In Finland, targeted marketing on YouTube isn't that big of a thing yet, so while I was making 5 to 7 videos a week, I was still making only around $10 to $20 a month. At the same time, I was making 3 times more with this channel without making any videos. For example, in July I published 21 videos, which took me around 80 hours to make. This made me $14.7. At the same time, I made almost $50 with a crypto video that I made over 2 years ago. Without cryptocurrencies trending, I wouldn't have made really any money during 2021. As you can see, from that $850, almost $700 is from these 2 crypto videos. If we put the price of Bitcoin here, and my YouTube revenue here, you can clearly see that when the Bitcoin is trending and its price is increasing, my crypto video is also trending and my revenue is increasing. One thing you should also consider is the cost of making videos. Of course, you could make videos with just your phone and edit them with some free software, but for example, this animation software costs me around $650 a year. So overall, as a small YouTuber, you aren't really making any money at all if you need to buy a new camera or use some editing software to make your videos. Let's end the video with a quick summary of the things that you can do to boost your revenue. If you can, you should make your videos in some language that has a large audience. For example, making Finnish gaming videos means that only 5 million people will even understand what I am talking about. Most of them are somewhere between 6 to 15 years old, and there aren't that many companies that want to advertise to those people. Speaking English means that pretty much everyone in the world understands you, and the companies all around the world can advertise in your videos. Tip number 2 is to make videos in niches where companies are ready to pay a lot. According to Jack Cow, the best niches are how to make money online, social media marketing, finance and investing, educational videos, photography, cars, lifestyle, fashion, and so on. You can check the full list in the description. Just a reminder that the revenues we have been talking about in this video are only the ones that you can make from your YouTube videos. There are of course plenty of other ways to monetize your channel, for example brand deals, selling merch, and so on. Even if you are making pretty much nothing with your ad revenue, there could be a company that wants to make a brand deal with you, or your audience could love to buy different merch from you. So remember, ad revenue is not the only way you can make money. The main point you should focus on is to make videos about things that you really enjoy making videos about. I know this sounds such a cliché, but the reason I quit making Finnish gaming videos isn't money, it's the fact that I didn't enjoy it at all. And if you're not enjoying what you are doing, you won't be able to do it as well as possible and for a very long time. So, whatever your niche is, keep making videos as long as you enjoy it and don't worry about the ad revenue. Someday your channel will hopefully start to grow and you are able to make money with the things that you enjoy doing anyway. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos about anything related to money, and I'll see you soon. Bye.